What's up, Coconut? Okay. Well, new office. I guess let's get to work. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe. As you can see, the office is not really put together. Just got done moving. Been super busy, guys. I apologize. I have not been able to be on top of everything. Got a lot of life going on right now. Not just, not having an office up. I've had a lot of things that going on. We can get into it later, but as you can see, the office isn't put together. We're going to be putting it together and we'll be showing you guys some upgrades that I've done and, letting you see how I do it. So, let's get to it.
Before that, this video is brought to you by CDK Deals. CDK Deals is a website that provides you with games and other software for a really good price. And right now you can get a Windows 10 Pro key for under $15. Just apply my special discount code at checkout, receive 30% off, and check out securely with PayPal. Once the payment is cleared, you'll be given a code in your account as well as an email. To activate, all you need to do is search Activate in your Windows search bar, click the Activate settings, and type in your key. To learn more, check the links below. Okay guys, so there it is. I absolutely love how it all turned out. It's a huge upgrade from where I was. I have more room to work now. My workspace is actually level now. Some of the more detail oriented of you guys or OCD you may have actually caught in my older videos where things weren't actually level and there was really nothing I could do about it because the house was just not level. And I tried to offset the camera and some of this stuff just to make it appear that it was level, but you couldn't always do it. So some of you may have caught it. But anyways, everything's level now and it's much nicer and I have much more room to actually work. It's fantastic. I get a little bit of breathing room now, so I'm glad about that. So guys, I will be continuing to bring some content in this new area and I'm very excited to do so. So guys, you know, if you enjoyed it all, please give the video a like. It definitely helps out the channel. You guys know the drill. Definitely helps me continue to grow as a YouTuber. And guys, if you do enjoy tech reviews, tech news, how-tos, PC builds, we do it here on this channel. We try to help out. So subscribe if you're not. That's going to do it for the video. As always, if you do have any questions, concerns, confusions, whatever it may be, don't hesitate. Ask. I don't mind helping. I'm really trying to build something for you guys here. Hope you want to be a part of it. A simple like, share, subscribe, comment. They go so far for the channel, it really helps me continue to make content and grow. With that said, I hope you can like. I hope you can subscribe. And if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe. A tech vibe. Specifically. We'll see you.